Have you ever wondered how quantum computers could supercharge artificial intelligence? Today, we'll explore the fascinating world of quantum machine learning. Imagine combining the parallel processing power of quantum computers with the learning capabilities of AI. This is where the future of computing lies. How does quantum machine learning differ from traditional machine learning? Traditional computers process information in bits, either 0 or 1. But quantum computers use qubits, which can exist in multiple states simultaneously, allowing them to process vast amounts of data exponentially faster. Can quantum computers really make AI smarter? The answer is yes, especially in areas like optimization problems and pattern recognition. Quantum machine learning algorithms can analyze complex datasets and find patterns that classical computers might take years to discover. What are the real-world applications? From drug discovery to climate modeling, and from financial predictions to cybersecurity, quantum machine learning is poised to revolutionize how we solve complex problems. A quantum neural network, for example, could process information in ways that mimic both quantum mechanics and biological brains. Want to learn more? Check out these resources. 1. Quantum Computing, A Gentle Introduction by Eleanor Riefel, 2. IBM's Quantum Experience Platform. 3. Microsoft's Quantum Development Kit. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit subscribe. We release new content daily exploring the cutting edge of technology.